guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. Today I have got my second Musclefood delivery to show you guys. I am partnering with Musclefood again. I did partner with them back in 2018, and what that means basically is that they are sending me these items for free to review, and I just do videos about them and tell you guys what I think. I will always be honest. If I don't like something, I'll say we can't all have the same taste, or if I think something is not brilliant quality, again, I'll tell you, because there's no point in me saying, oh my god, this is amazing, and then you go and buy it and you think, and it's actually rubbish, and you're like, oh, she's told me it was good and it's not. There's no point in that. I'd rather just be honest with you guys. I have purchased stuff from Musclefood in the past various times that I have loved, and I've loved the stuff that I've had, so I thought I would give it a go. It's their new plan. It's called the Live Clean plan. I'll link it all down below for you guys. There is 3 different calorie brackets that you can choose from. I've gone for the lowest calorie bracket just because I've got quite a lot of weight to lose, and I think it works out at £55 a week, and I do have a discount code that I'll put on the screen. I'll link down below for you guys where you can get some money off. But yeah, they have like rice pots and curry pots, and then you get this plan I get 3 meals a day and then 2 snacks, and then I think the higher calorie ones you get 3 meals a day and 3 snacks. So yeah, we're just going to unbox it. Last week, my first video for it, I did do like a food vlog for the rest of the week, but the video ends up being really long, so I'll link that up here. This week I'm going to unbox it for you now, and then anything in here that's new, because I have gone for a few new little bits this week that I've never gone for before. I'll put little videos of me cooking them and trying them in, but I'm not going to do the whole week's vlog just because it ends up being a really long video. I will show you the new things, because there's no point in me showing you last week that I had the porridge and then this week again showing you the same porridge. So anything new that I've got, I will put in after this, and then hopefully at the end of the week we'll have a weight loss. I didn't have one this week. I stayed the same. I kind of assume that is because my body has adjusted, because I was doing Weight Watchers previously and then going to this. There's a lot more carbs involved in this, which I'm always happy about because I love me some carbs, but I kind of feel like my body was just like, has gone from barely any carbs to more, and so I've just stayed the same that week. But we'll see what this week brings. Hopefully this will bring a weight loss, but we shall see at the end of the week. Today is Saturday. This arrived today, and I will start tomorrow because it's 4:45 in the afternoon, and I've missed breakfast and lunch because this didn't come till later. You get a text to say when it's coming. It's all freezer packed in here, so if you're out when it's delivered, you don't have to worry. It will all be safe until you get home. Yeah, let's just jump in. So I'm in Fox's bedroom because the kids are downstairs and Fox is asleep with Ben, so I didn't want to wake them up. Ooh. So let's have a look. There was definitely a few bits this week that I went for that I've never even seen before, so I will show you those this week. Okay, so we've got sriracha lentil chips. I love these proper lentil chips. I normally have the salted ones, but these are sriracha ones, which sound like this is going to be amazing because I love sriracha. I've got the pork puffs. So these are like pork scratchings, but they're like puffed ones. They used to do ones like these. I can't remember what they were called when I did Musclefood previously. Like 2 years ago, they had them and they were in a sort of square bag, and they were really good, so I assume these are kind of similar. I went for another packet of the Indie Bay crunchy pretzel things. These are the quinoa, oh my god, quinoa bites, and they're so good. They're so peppery and yummy. Absolutely love these. I got some more of the Parmesan crisps because again, these were delicious. I absolutely love these. This is just coming out as it's coming out. It's not coming out in any order because it's just coming out. So I've got salted caramel porridge, which is a new one. I hadn't seen this one before, so I thought I would give that a go. I've got a peanut protein boosted granola, and I think this is this peanut? Yeah, peanut granola, which looks nice and chunky, so we'll give that a go. I got another one of these caramel chaos bars. I didn't realise these were like £2 each. I saw them in Sainsbury's this morning. Like some of them are more than that, but that's like £2. This is a PAS or PAS protein bar, chocolate caramel. These kind of just taste like Mars bars, which I'm all for because I love me some Mars bars. You get a big bag that is a cold bag, and it has these reusable cold packs in it, so everything that needs to go in the freezer is still going to be frozen. So I have got another protein pizza. I had one of these last time and it was so good. It was so yummy. It's gluten free, but it's not one of the gluten free ones you're like, oh, it's gluten free. It just tastes really good. And this is mozzarella, chicken, spicy beef and bacon. Amazing. And this is just keep in the fridge or keep in the freezer? Refrigerate. So this is a fridge one and you just cook it in the oven. I got some salt and vinegar protein bakes, a peanut protein balls, peanut cookie dough protein balls. These look yummy. I've kind of had similar things to this in the past and they were really nice. And I got some beetroot crisps, air dried wonky beets, which I've never seen before, but they sound nice. I normally like veggie crisps, so I'm hoping these are just as good. Again, this is something I will show you these. I'm just going to get all these little ice packs out because there are a lot. Okay, this is something I've never seen before and I thought I would give it a try. This is a cheeseburger, a quarter pounder with cheese. And that's all in there. How do we cook this? Do we have to freeze this? Keep refrigerated. You don't freeze this one. And again, it's just microwave and that takes like 3 minutes to cook. So, and it's just a cheeseburger. I will show you when I cook this because I've never had one of those before. I got some of the satay chicken pots because I absolutely love these. I got one with brown rice and one with normal rice. I got another of the Badman spicy curry pots. So this is chicken, potatoes and veggies in a spicy sauce, and I'm not gonna lie, it is delicious, but it's not spicy in the slightest. There is no spice and I like spice. I got Ben to try a little bit because I wasn't sure if my spice things were off because I can tolerate quite a lot. No spice, but still good. I got katsu curry with white rice. This was another one I've never had before, so I thought I would give this a go. So this is what is it? Chicken breast in aromatic curry sauce with long grain rice, green beans, peas and baby corn. So you've got the rice and corn and the chicken. Oh, this is another new one. This is barbecue pulled pork. And this is with potato, sweet corn and butternut squash. And it looks like there's some beans in there as well, which looks yummy. These ones you all just chuck in the freezer and they literally just cook in the microwave in like 6 or 7 minutes. A chicken tikka one. A plain one, which is just chicken, rice, broccoli, cauliflower and carrots. This is one of my favourite ones. I absolutely love that. And then I got another meal kit. Last week I had the lemon and thyme cod, and this time I got the lemon herb chicken. So in here you've got potatoes, broccoli, lemon, butter, garlic. That's what it's going to look like. And then you get a chicken breast as well. And that's it. Oh no, some pancakes for breakfast. So that is my week's worth of food. Alright, I'm going to go and put this all in my freezer. And then I will try and plan out my meals for the week. And then I will film things like, I will film this, I will film this. I'll film the breakfast because I've never had these before and I want to show you guys. But most of the rice pots and stuff I'm not going to bother filming because there is multiple videos on YouTube of me eating them. So there is no point. I don't want to bore you guys watching the same food again. So yeah, fingers crossed for a good week. I'll leave all the details down below for you guys. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you in a few days with a weight loss. guys, so thought I'd just come and do a little update on the meals that I've had so far. As I said, I'm only going to film the ones that I haven't had before, because there's no point in me filming myself eating the same food every week, because that's just weird. But I have this week, yesterday I had the chicken meal kit with the crushed potatoes and broccoli and lemon. That was really, really nice. Tonight I had the katsu curry meal kit, and it was nice. It didn't taste like katsu, I'm not gonna lie, the fly getting near me. It didn't taste like katsu curry, but it was a nice, very, very mild curry. I was a bit naughty, I added a little bit of sriracha just because I like my food a little bit spicier when it's meant to be spicy. Like curries to me are meant to be a bit spicy, but other than that, it was really nice. I couldn't actually eat all the rice because it was a massive portion of rice and peas and green beans and corn, but it was really, really good. If you're sort of looking at it and like, oh, I don't know if I want a curry because it's going to be spicy, it's not spicy in the slightest. It's just a very mild, nice curry. So yeah, those are the new ones that I've had so far. Oh, and I had the I had a pot, the pulled pork. Oh my god, the pulled pork pot was so good. I am like a bean fiend. I love beans, and it had kidney beans in it and butternut squash, and it was really, really good. I really enjoyed that one. But yeah, I'm not sure what snack I'm gonna have tonight. Let's just have a little look and see what snack we're gonna get tonight. It was very up close, I apologise about that. So I might have these because I've never had these before, and I think for my sweet snack, because I've not had any today, I might have this hype bar, because I had a hype bar last week but it wasn't this one, so I think I'll have this salty caramel one today. Yesterday I had the proper chips, the lentil proper chips. I just realised you can't see me, and one of the carb killer bars, but I've had both of those. I had another bar, a cookies and cream protein bar, the other night, and I can't remember what that one was called. I've inserted pictures of it, I think, when I was eating it, so that was really good. I've had one of my I had 2 packets of these come, and I've had one of these already because I love it. But yeah, it's all good so far. And I've had some pancakes for breakfast, but you guys have seen me eat the pancakes and I just cooked the apple on the top of them. So yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna have this one. I had the peanut one the other day, the granola, and that was really good. So I think tomorrow it will be the salted caramel porridge pot, and yeah, I will let you know. I'm sure I'm gonna like this because it's porridge and it's salted caramel, who doesn't like that? Yeah, I'll have these tonight and I'll take pictures or do a little video as I eat them to show you guys. I'm very intrigued with these. We shall see. Very skeptical but excited. Hey guys, so it is the end of week 2 of the Live Clean plan with Musclefood. I did put a picture in of the cheeseburger I had, and I'm gonna be honest, it was not for me. I was skeptical. I wanted to get it just to try it, but I was not a fan. But that, I think, is the only thing so far that I've had. Oh, and the beetroot crisps, I did not like those, but everything else we're good. I've ordered for next week, and I've gone for more of the meal kits so I can show you more like different things. But yeah, I had a weigh-in this morning and I've lost 1.5 pounds, so I was really, really pleased with that. And the fact that I've had snacks every day makes me happy because I like snacks. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. I will do the same thing. I think my order is coming on Monday, so I will unbox, and then again I will just film all the new things that I'm having throughout the week, and hopefully we'll get another loss next week. So yeah, really happy with that. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. I would absolutely love it if you join this weird little family that we've got going on. I'll leave all the discount codes and links down below for you guys if you are interested in trying this plan. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye guys.